Good evening from the balcony, folks. Wow, what's going on? Do you see something? I'm outside. My neighbors are outside. I'm not sure what they're looking at, but we just got a notice that there's a probability of an air raid siren here, which means probably a Houthi missile from Yemen coming from the south. Recently, they've been filling their missiles with cluster bombs, which is not only illegal, but all of their activities are illegal. It's inhuman, trying to create the most damage possible. And you can hear in the distance, I'll be quiet for a moment, from the Arab village over there, the Islamic call to prayer. Unfortunately, I'm plenty sure that many of them are celebrating these missile launches. It's a very hazy day. You can see Jerusalem in the distance in the north. And typically what I do is I stay out here until the air raid siren. So this is now happening. Wow, I don't know what everyone's looking at. Okay, but I'm going down to the bomb shelter. And hopefully this will be a big nothing. Though I have to be honest, it's very angering.